So let me save you months of confusion. Actually, not every business actually needs a CRM. And I know that it might sound strange, especially coming from someone that teaches CRM every time. But it is true. Because one of the mistakes we've seen business owners make is that they assume that everyone is talking about CRM and they probably need one for their business too. Or their friend is using a CRM and they probably need one for their business. Or maybe someone just told them that, oh, HubSpot is the best CRM out there. And they were like, oh, I'm going to get it for my business. Actually, sometimes spreadsheets is actually enough for your business, and sometimes you actually need a CRM, but you've not admitted to yourself yet that you actually need a CRM. In this video, I am going to help you diagnose your business honestly and properly. That means if we are going to be listing all of the 7 things and they are happening in your business, then you've probably outgrown the spreadsheet stage, and it's time to move into an organized CRM. Now, before we start, I want you to know this. A CRM is not a business status. It is not just some badge that says something like, oh, my business is now serious or my business is now corporate, or because you're using a CRM. A CRM is actually simply a tool for solving organizational problems. So if you do not have this problem yet, then fine, you do not need a CRM. But if you do, this video is going to hit very close to home, and I want you to be able to pay attention to all of these problems. So if you're facing any one of these problems, then you definitely need a CRM. Okay, so let's make this video very, very interactive. As we go through all of the signs, I want you to keep score. We have 7 of them. So every time your business matches one of the sign, counts as a point. And at the end, you can tell me your score in the comment section. If you hit 4, 5, 6, or 7, then we need to talk. So sign number 1, you keep forgetting your follow-ups. Let's be honest, that one actually hurts a lot, because a lead message you have great conversation with them and they sound interested, they sound ready to move forward, and you say something like, you know what, I'm going to follow up with you tomorrow. Now tomorrow comes, another client called you, or maybe a team meeting happened, or maybe random chaos in your business occurred, or maybe you just had meeting with the marketing team and you forgot to follow up. Now suddenly your tomorrow becomes next week. The customer either disappears and buy from someone else. And do you know the painful part? Sometimes your offer might actually be very good, your pricing was good, your service was solid, but the only problem is that you forgot. Now this is a CRM problem, because CRM exists to make sure that important follow-ups do not rely on your memory, or they do not rely on you remembering to follow up. So sign number 2, your team cannot see customer history in one particular place. This one is going to become a very huge issue, especially if you have more than one person that actually handles customer communication. So imagine this scenario. A customer spoke with Sarah on your team. Sarah discussed pricing with the customer, and Sarah goes off for the weekend. And maybe on Monday, another team, maybe John, let's say John takes over, and the customer said something like, okay, I would like to continue our conversation. And John is very confused and he's saying that, what conversation is that, or what discussion is that? And now the customer is annoyed, because from their perspective, they are talking to one company, not separate different humans. And this is where CRM is going to become very critical, because everyone can be able to see the customer history. Sign number 3 is that you have multiple spreadsheets. You have spreadsheet 1, 2, 3, and you have one that you've not updated for the past 6 months. And this one is funny because sometimes businesses are actually deeply committed to spreadsheet chaos. Like, they love spreadsheet chaos a lot. So they have one spreadsheet for leads, they have one for customers, they have one for follow-up, they have one for proposal, they have one for payments, and somehow there is always one mysterious spreadsheet that nobody fully understands. If you actually have this in your business, the information is going to get very, very confusing. Updates is going to become very inconsistent. And people will start asking, which spreadsheet is the correct one? Where can we find this particular lead? Where can we find this particular contact? Where exactly is this spreadsheet? And if that confusion is happening currently in your business, it is a sign that you've outgrown the spreadsheet's phase, and it's time to get a very optimized CRM for yourself. Sign number 4 is that your WhatsApp is your CRM. Now, this is actually a very bad habit. Now, before WhatsApp business owners come for me, I love WhatsApp. It is useful, but WhatsApp is not a CRM. You cannot save all of your customers' detailed information in CRM. Maybe customer messages you and you are scrolling all around, you are searching for their messages, you start 10 messages for one customer, or you start 20 messages, And you always pray that your memory actually helps you to remember everything. WhatsApp is for communication, not for CRM. And no shade to WhatsApp. Businesses use WhatsApp, yes, but there should be a particular place where you can be able to bring all of this WhatsApp information into a specific place so that everyone can be able to see that customer data. If you continue using WhatsApp as your CRM, it is not sustainable. WhatsApp is for communication, while CRM is for organization. They are two entirely different things. So take note of that. If you're using WhatsApp for your business, it is time. If you're using WhatsApp as your CRM, it is time to actually take charge of your CRM and get an organized CRM for your business. So sign number 5 is that you cannot clearly track your deals. This is where businesses lose visibility. So I want you to ask yourself this question: how many active opportunities do you currently have in your business? How many proposals are pending right now? How many leads are close to buying in your business? How many leads did you lose this month? And if the answer is I don't know, let me check my spreadsheets, or if the answer is, oh, let me check WhatsApp, that is a very big sign, because businesses should not be able to start guessing revenue. As a business person, the reason why you're in business is to generate revenue. Now, if you're not able to track all of this revenue in one place, you are doing your business a big disfavor. And you want to make sure that you are able to track all of the deals that are coming in. You want to know the number of leads that are coming in and where they are coming from, so that it is going to give you this high level visibility and you can be able to see what is going on in your business. You cannot achieve this through spreadsheets. You cannot achieve it through your WhatsApp or through your Gmail inbox. You can only achieve this by using a CRM for your business, an organized CRM for your business. Sign number 6: reporting feels very, very impossible for your business. So meaning you cannot identify, or you cannot confidently answer, you cannot even answer how many leads are coming in into your business this month. Which marketing source perform best? Is it Google ads? Is it Facebook ads? Or you cannot even know which team actually closed the most deals this month or this year. You don't know your conversion rate, you don't know your pipeline value, you don't know the number of deals you are pursuing this month, and you don't have a place where you can be able to see all of these KPIs and these reporting metrics. Then is a big sign that you actually need an organized system. And where is the best place we can actually get this organized system, if not from a CRM? If reporting is currently impossible for your business and you cannot be able to answer all of these questions, then your system is too manual and you need to switch to an organized CRM. Sign number 7 is that leads keep falling through the cracks. And honestly, this one pains me the most, because one of the biggest reasons why we are in business is to make money. And when you generate leads, the idea is that you want those leads to become a paying customer. Now, if you're having leads and they keep falling through the cracks, definitely you will start losing revenue. Now, imagine this: a lead asked you a question in your business. Maybe they sent an email or they sent a WhatsApp message. So nobody followed up. Now another lead is requesting for pricing, or maybe you even did Google ads or you did Facebook ads and you are hoping that your ads converts and you want to start seeing leads. And now you are seeing the leads. Nobody is following up with them. Nobody is responding to them. Another customer is asking if they can be able to onboard to your business, or if they can be able to move on with one of your plans, and you forgot the leads, or you forgot the customer, or you forgot the contact. Nobody noticed them, nobody responded. This is a silent revenue leakage, and many businesses do not even realize how much money they are losing by going through this process. They do not realize the amount of money they are losing if the leads keep falling through the cracks. So how many signs actually match your business right now? All of the 7 signs we just listed, how many match your business? If it's just 1 or 2, you are still okay. You're perfectly fine. If you have 3 to 4, then your current system is getting shaky and you need to find solution to it. If it is 5 to 7, respectfully, your business is asking for help and your business is hanging on that tiny thread. If you do not fix all of this, your business is going to get messy very fast, if it is not even messy yet already. Now, if you've realized that you probably need a CRM, the next beginner question will be, which CRM should I actually choose? Is it Zoho? Is it HubSpot? Is it Pipedrive? Is it Salesforce? There are too many options, yes, and we're going to get there. But before you go, I want you to comment your score. I genuinely want to know the particular score you scored for your business. And if you are realizing that your business probably need CRM structure, subscribe, because this CRM fundamental playlist we are creating is literally built for beginners that want to start their CRM journey. And if you already know that you need help in setting things up properly, CRM instructors help businesses to simplify CRM setups, implementations, and optimization. So all of the links are in description below, where you can even be able to download the free guide to get started on your CRM journey. And also you can book a free discovery call with us, and we're going to look at your business process, and we're going to help you recommend the best CRM for you. All of the links are in the description below. And also, if you found this video helpful, please do not forget to subscribe. We have a mission to get to 1,000 subscribers by August of this year, and you are part of those people that can make it happen for us. So subscribe to this channel and also like this video, and also share to everyone who you think is on that beginner journey to start using CRM and they are confused on where to go and how to go about it. Send them this video, send them this playlist, because everything they are going to be needing to set up their CRM from start to finish is already in this playlist. Thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.